Hello everyone. Today I got a few things to talk about, but I haven't been in the worm farm and sorry, camera's shaking. I haven't been in the worm farm in almost a complete 4 days, and I've been working on other project. Well, I've been working on the main project, the project that started everything here. And the reason I started this project a long time ago was people were asking me, how did I lose the weight? Why am I starting a business? You know, what am I doing with myself, basically? And that I started another channel, and I'll talk more about that in a little bit. So, but for now, I want to look at the worms because I haven't seen them in days, and I want to see how they're doing. They haven't had any food or water. It's been going on day 4. So let's check them out. And we'll talk about compaction. Because this last couple of months, I've been going every couple of weeks. I let them go 2 to 3 days with no food or water. They look like they're doing good. But that way they can kind of eat up everything in the bin. And it looks like they're all doing pretty good. They're just hanging out like normal. But when I checked bin number 4, and turned it, I did a video on it. You can look back at my videos and see me turn it. It was not compacted at all. Now, for the first 5 months, I didn't touch the bins. Really, I mean, I would dig into them a little bit, but I wouldn't turn them. And I was just feeding them every day and doing everything like normal. And I noticed the bins were getting really compacted. I mean, very compacted. I don't know how the worms were moving through it. This cardboard I added 3 days ago, or 4 days ago, I guess, almost 4 days ago. Yeah, it was during that last video. It was right after that when I fed and watered them. But that's just going to get covered up with compost, and it'll just become part of the bedding until it's gone. It disappears pretty quick. But what I've noticed with the compaction is it is not bad if you let them completely do their thing and eat everything they can out of it before you continue to feed them. And this is coffee grounds I'm drying out. But because I let them go 4 days, it's probably going to take about 10 gallons of water to finish filling these bins, or to rehydrate these bins. They're not dry. They're not dry by any means, but they are lacking in water and food. So, but 10 gallons is probably be about what it'll take. That's what I lost over the last 4 days. On average, on 2 to 3 days, it takes me about 6 gallons to 10 gallons to completely rehydrate all the bins. But other than that, I've had really good luck with keeping the compaction rate down. I'm going to continue to do this process for the next couple of months, and we'll see how it turns out, because I want to show you guys that it can be a little more simple, because I was turning them, I was checking on them all the time. They were getting really compacted, and I was just doing it wrong. So this is my new system of what I'm going to do with them, and we'll see how it works out. But what I wanted to talk about, my project, the main project that I'm working on, is I have built a system to fix myself, basically. To be more motivated, to know myself better, and it has worked wonders on me. I have lost 125 pounds. I have more energy than I've ever had. I have not had to exercise and work out. All I do is walk a lot. And I dance every day, which is silly, but it's fun. And well, you can't be mad when you're dancing. So I've been doing that. But the project I'm working on is, well, I'm just going to tell you, I started another channel, and it is a motivational type channel, but it's how to make a living in the new economy, how to find yourself, how to fix yourself, you know, all that self-help kind of stuff. But it has done wonders for me, and I have found really awesome systems and mindsets and processes to help along the way that I've discovered and I've created. But my other channel is the provider mindset. And the reason I chose the provider mindset is because it is general, but it also encompasses all the labels that people put on themselves. And it's what you truly are. And labels like entrepreneur, one-man business, or one-person business, you know, you're really a provider. You provide for yourself, for your family, for your future, for all your relationships. So that is what I'm doing. That's what I'm working on. It's launching this weekend. I did start the channel, but videos will probably not be on there until Saturday. And then, well, it starts. And that starts a whole new side of business for me with marketing, SEO, and all that kind of stuff. I mean, some of the same stuff that I do at the worm farm, but just a little more extensive, because this was kind of a pet project for me. I wanted to see if I could build a business. I wanted to see if I could get it this far. It was something I've never really done before. I did it as a hobby for like 2 months, and that was 2 decades ago. And I ended up just giving those worms away. But I really enjoyed it, and I wanted to get back into it, and it was something that I like. And so I did it. And because I truly want to help people out, I want to help out their gardens and give them better food, you know, with just a better, more organic system of growing your stuff. And these guys are essential to that kind of process. So I'm happy to be a part of that. I'm happy to get it going, and I will be extremely happy to start selling them. But just stay tuned and, you know, like and subscribe and hit that bell for notification. But please follow along with the journey. Feel free to go onto the other channel and check it out. Like I said, it'll most likely be going Saturday. I probably won't have much on it or anything on it tonight or tomorrow, because tomorrow I got to go get x-rays on my shoulders because they are getting replaced, and I'm starting with the left one. And so we're gonna go get that set up. I gotta do my pre-op appointments because in a week and a half I get a new shoulder. But anyway, guys, please like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this long. And check out my project, check out my new channel, and stay tuned to see how everything works out here. So have a good day.